We can't move forward without an orientation of the Excel ribbon. It will soon be your new best friend. Let's take a look at what it is. The ribbon bar is found at the top of our Excel window and allows us to apply common commands quickly. In Excel and most Office programs, ribbon is organized in tabs. When we open a new Excel workbook, Excel's ribbon will be on the Home tab by default. Each tab contains several groups of commands that are named in a logical manner, making it easy for us to locate what we're looking for. Let's study the Home tab a bit. Each group is separated by a thin divider line and has a category name according to the commands it houses. So in the Home tab, for instance, the commands are categorized under clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing groups. These are some of the most frequently accessed command groups when working in Excel, and that's why they're on the Home tab by default. Now, some groups will have an arrow to the right of the group name, and if you click this, you will see more command options for this group. The second tab is the Insert tab. This tab contains commands used to insert items into a worksheet. The Page Layout tab next door allows us to customize the layout and display settings of our worksheet, and it's extremely useful when it comes to printing our files. Next up, we have the Formulas tab. You will find pretty much all the commands you need when working with formulas in this tab. Now, the Data tab allows us to import, organize, and analyze our data at a click of a button. The Sort and Filter group is the most frequently used group within this tab. The next tab is the Review tab, containing useful commands when reviewing our work, such as adding comments to a worksheet. We can also manage our workbook protection settings using these commands. Last but not least, the View tab, a tab you will use often to customize and optimize your worksheet view when working in Excel. Now you may be wondering what this is. Tell Me What You Want to Do is a new feature in Excel, and it's super handy. It acts like a magic search bar. If you're looking for a command or tool and can't find it, just type it in this box and you will be guided right to it. Now, ribbon does take up quite a bit of space, and sometimes it may be helpful to hide it. We can adjust how ribbon is displayed using these ribbon display options. Auto Hide displays your workbook in full screen mode and completely hides the ribbon. If you want to show ribbon at any time, just click on this Expand Ribbon command at the top of the screen. Lots of people love the Show Tabs display option. This option hides all command groups when they're not in use, but the tabs remain visible. We can then just click on any tab to expand the ribbon. Another way to get to this display mode is to right-click anywhere on the ribbon area and choose Collapse Ribbon. This third option is the default view of ribbon when you open Excel for the first time. It shows all tabs and groups. As we know, Excel is super versatile, and this applies to the ribbon too. We can customize our individual ribbons by right-clicking on the ribbon area and selecting Customize the Ribbon. You will then see the option of creating a brand new tab, which you can populate with whichever commands you like. You also have the option to customize and reorganize pre-existing tabs. This flexibility allows you to personalize your Excel workspace and can greatly improve your experience while working in Excel. Hope you found this overview of the ribbon useful. We will be using ribbon extensively and explore many of the tabs and command groups in depth over the course of the training. Don't be overwhelmed with all of the commands available. You will soon be able to navigate ribbon very quickly.